We use the verb
estar,
to be to say how one is, what one is, and a state of being. So from estar, we have I am,
estoy,
it is.
está,
So I am tired,
estoy cansado o estoy cansada.
and it is here.
Está aquí.
So when to use the verb estar, to be, with a location, a mood, a physical condition, a result of an action, an unnatural color or condition, or something general or something particular. In Spanish, they have two verbs for saying to be. The other one is
Ser. Ser.
we use the verb ser to be to say who one is, what one is, characteristics, or something permanent. So from ser we have I am,
Soy.
and it is.
Es.
So I am Spanish,
Soy español.
and it is good.
Es bueno.
So when do we use ser to be? Origin, nationality, relationships, physical attributes, characteristics, possession, profession, identification, date or time, and natural color. We have two examples here of when to use the verbs ser or estar. Example 1. I am here.
Estoy aquí.
I am here is a location, so we use the verb estar. And I am from estar is.
Estoy. Estoy aquí.
Example 2. I am from Spain.
Soy de España.
I am from Spain is origin, nationality, so we use the verb ser. And I am from ser is.
Soy. Soy de España.
Example 3. I am drunk.
Estoy borracho.
I am drunk is a physical condition, so we use the verb estar. And I am from estar is.
Estoy. Estoy borracho.
Example 4. I am a drunk.
Soy un borracho.
I am a drunk is now a characteristic of a person, so we use the verb ser. And I am from ser is.
Soy. Soy un borracho.
Example 5. The sky is red.
El cielo está rojo.
The sky is red is an unnatural color or condition, so we use the verb estar. And it is from estar is.
Está. El cielo está rojo.
Example 6. The sky is blue.
El cielo es azul.
The sky is blue is now a natural color, so we use the verb ser, and it is from ser is.
Es. El cielo es azul.